News 5 now goes to
World Kitchens!
News 5 now goes to
World Kitchens!
Oh my gosh, sobrang ganda ng ano nila, no? Sobrang ganda ng service nila. Parang 10 minutes pa lang nandito na.
Less than 10 minutes.
Grabe, inuna ko to, di ba? Tikman. Sarap.
Ako, titikman ko agad yung...
Siksik na siksik. This, I'm so happy to know that I don't have to go to Japan for this. I swear, I really fly to Japan to eat Otoro, my favorite. Oh my gosh, eto na. Look at that and how thick the cut is. It tastes like butter.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Parang hindi ko na kailangan nguyain.
Oo.
Ang lambot.
Kompleto sila.
Panalo.
Oo.
And must try talaga to, itong sisig na.
Gusto mo yung ano?
Mag-ano
Munti
ka?
ko na i-chopsticks yung sisig, guys.
Oo.
Nalito na ako, hindi ko na alam
Ayun pala yung serving spoon.
Oo nga eh, pero tayo. Guys, sorry, hindi ko na kinain yung itlog kasi masaya na ako dun pa lang sa meat. Nakitang-kita mo talaga, no? Filled to the brim ang plato.
Ang sarap.
Mapapa-10 rice ka dito.
Hindi ko kaya. Sarap.
Siyempre, nagpapanggap tayo pagkatapos saan kainin yung mga 10 potahe. Kunwari, mag-ano tayo, fresh carrot juice. Yup, they have it. Sana umepekto pa yung vitamin A sa katawan ko pagkatapos sa lahat ng mga kolesterol na kinain ko at napakasarap. But yeah, let's do this. Let's go. Very so refreshing.
Tagalan mo yung sip.
Lasang carrot. Oh, masarap. I'm so happy. Do you know that one time we had a premiere night here, Song of the Fireflies? That was not too long ago, and we used the VIP rooms. Do you know that you don't need a minimum? You just have to order, of course, food, go about with your business. You get the full service, and it's so good to know that it's in the heart of Quezon City, Araneta City at that. Here in Gateway 2, everybody. It's on the 4th floor if you press the elevator and choose to use it. I'm so happy we have it here. Yeah, dito si Ninong Albi.
Yeah, of course. We're News 5 now here at World Kitchens.